Slowly. Now I'm in jail because of my dogs. Look, I'm literally in jail. They're waiting for me to get out to bite my feet again. So I have to I have to be here every time. Okay, wait up. I'm gonna eat my snack. These are my snack. This is the straw for the drink. They're still right. Don't eat poop! Wait guys, my dog is gonna eat poop. My dog is about to eat poop. Thank God I saved the doggy. Okay, bye guys. Snack time!
Pagkakainis ko, tae.
It smells. Bye. I'm gonna refrain for